Good morning. Heading off to go and see some waterfalls today. So, catching waterfalls, I guess. So this is Josephine Falls. There's a dive on in. So there's a little slide here. I have to go down. Here we go. So here we go. That was really cool. I wasn't going to go in on that one, but saw the slide and thought it'd be rude not to. So the guy at the end videoed me, which was really nice. Now off to have a look at Elysian Falls. This time heading down to XVIII Falls. Seems a bit more popular. There's the top of it. So this is it. So this is the Mila Falls. Here it is. Here we are. Through the pool. That's it. On the inside of the waterfall, as you can see. Quite painful. Right, let's dive on in. And down there, ladies and gentlemen, I'm getting any closer. The slippery old slide. Just got down to Peterson's Creek. Probably should have read how much weight this could take before going on it. Good. Swaying around. Feels like I'm in the I'm a Celebrity jungle walking along this. Not a platypus, but there's a little turtle down there. No platypus at the platypus viewing platform. And this is the night markets down in Cairns.